How's it going, everyone? Sorry I haven't been posting too many videos or anything after the first launch. As you can see, I'm already back at making another fincan. This one is definitely going to be stronger than the last one and thicker in places it needs to be. And hopefully this one will secure the level 1. But if not, that's okay. We're still advancing quite quickly with these different designs and different things. But I just want to let you know I am working on the second high-powered fincan. We're about 11% in. It's going to take 2 days and 5 hours, I think, for this to be 100% done. That's way better than 4 days, at which it originally was. So we'll see if the current settings work out. I also have a special project going over here. This is the BT-80 sized rocket, and it is also nearing the halfway point. This rocket right here, once I'm done testing it and whatnot, will be available on our Colts page, Colts 3D, and eBay as a completed kit. So watch out for that coming soon. And other than that, I got my other motor. Almost missed the delivery driver, but thankfully someone was here to get it for me. So second attempt at level 1 is October 7th, given weather is okay and everyone can meet up out there. Hopefully it goes as good as the first time as far as the launch, the deployment, well, not the landing. You've seen what happened there. It snapped its neck. So, yeah, hopefully it'll go just as somewhat good, if not better. See you guys soon with another update.